Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see introduction to the steel structures. So first of all, let me tell you what is steel structure. See, it is a metal structure. Now what is metal? Obviously as the name says steel structure, na? So it will be of structural steel. I'll tell you what is structural steel. So it is of structural steel. Okay. Then which is made of structural steel components and connect with each other to carry loads and provide full rigidity. What happens in steel structure? See, as you can see in the picture here, these beams are getting connected to the columns and they are connected by means of some bolts. They are connected by what? They are connected by bolts and they will transfer the load. See, this floor system will transfer the load to this beam and this beam will transfer the load to the column, and ultimately the load from column will get transferred to the footing. So in this way, the load will move from the floor to the beam and to the column and finally to the footing. So basically steel structure is a metal structure, as I said, and it will be made of structural steel. Now what is structural steel? As I told you, I will tell you later. So what is structural steel? See, that steel which is manufactured in the factories and whose standard sections are available, such as, see, you may have heard about I section or angle section. See, a section like this is angle section. Then we have I section, then we have channel sections like this. So there are various sections available and they are manufactured in steel, so the quality achieved will be very much good. So that is your structural steel. So that structure which is constructed with the help of structural steel is known as steel structure, and they will give you full rigidity and load will be transferred easily. Structural steel is steel construction material which is fabricated with a specific shape and chemical composition. As I told you, it will be it will be manufactured in the companies, it will be fabricated in the companies, and it will have some specific shapes and cross sections. As I told you, it will have I section, angle section, channel sections, and various standard sections they will be available. And these sections, as a, see, if I'm saying that this is an angle section, so if you want to get the properties of these sections, we have one book. I will tell you later which book you have to refer to get the standard cross sections, standard areas, properties of these cross sections, everything. So there is book available. That book is known as steel table. Then steel materials are also defined as hot rolled products having cross sections like angles, channels, and beams. See, I told you that the steel which is used in the steel structures is known as structural steel. So it has one more name, and that is called as hot rolled products. So these sections which I was talking about, I section, channel section, angle sections, they will have one name, that is structural steel, that is the common name, and another one is the hot rolled steel products, and they will have cross sections, as I'm telling you again and again. Then steel structures may be used for industrial, residential, office, and commercial purposes. See, you may have seen these structures. You may have seen industrial sheds which are made up of truss materials, truss elements. Then even in the residential building frames, you can use the steel structures in offices, warehouses, commercial places. Everywhere you can use the steel structures. Then now I'll give you some of the examples of steel structure. See, the examples of steel structures are, first, the industrial shed. As you can see in the picture here, this is an industrial shed. And see, the benefit of providing the steel structures in the industrial shed is that you will have large column free area and the depth of beam will also be less. Then in the buildings also you can use the steel structures. In truss members you can use the steel structure. For the construction of transmission towers, you may have heard about the structure like this. See, you may have seen the structure like this. That is the transmission tower, which is used for transmitting the electric cables, etc. Then even the stadiums are constructed nowadays with the steel structures. Then steel bridges, you may have heard about suspension bridges, cable stayed bridges. They are nothing but made up of steel material. So this was the video on introduction to steel structure. Thank you.